To replace the front door lock and latch, you must first remove the front door panel. You will also need to remove the front door subframe and the door exterior handle. You can find help with all of these tasks by following the link provided at the end of this video. With the handle and gasket removed, use a T20 torque and remove the single screw indicated by the red arrow. At this point, you should be able to slightly slide the door frame towards the rear, blue arrow. Use an M6 triple square and remove the 2 screws holding the lock latch mechanism, red arrows. Do not use a torque. These bolts are held in place with some Loctite and you do not want to strip them. If you were not able to slide the handle frame, red arrow, towards the rear before, you can now. Move the lock latch mechanism out from the door frame, red arrow. The handle, frame, and cable will come out attached with it. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the latch mechanism. Ours only had one, red arrow. You may have more depending on how your Cayenne is optioned. Release the plastic tab on the mount, red arrow, and slide it forward. Release the Bowden cable from the mount, red arrow, and set the mount aside. Use a small trim removal tool and release the clip on the cable, red arrow, and turn it 90 degrees. Lift the cable out from the mount and up. With the cable up, turn it so you can remove the cable end, red arrow, from the latch mechanism, blue arrow. The Bowden cable that attaches to the inner door handle mounts to the latch mechanism, red arrow, and the pull, blue arrow. Lift up the release tab, red arrow, and turn the cable 90 degrees. With the mount free, lift the cable and remove the ball end, red arrow, out from the latch, blue arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the 2 screws holding the latch to the door to 20 Newton meters or 15 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.